working from office today, and I want to tell you that there is a different kind of productivity when you work from office. The vibe inside the office is like you just have to work, It gives you that feeling. Getting some work done. There were a few pitch decks to send to clients and some videos to be edited, some new posts to be posted on client social media. Got all of them done. It's almost 7 p.m. in the evening. I'm waiting for a meeting. After this, I'll be heading home. This is how the day goes. Just got up in the morning, did some workout. I went to the mass. It was Friday, and then came back to office. Gonna go home, get some more work done. We have a website to be developed, to be finished, and then again get up in the morning, repeat. This is the whole cycle of an entrepreneur when you're working on something. So I decided, why not give you guys a walkthrough of our office. So this is where you enter. We have a small lobby. This is the cabin. Here we have, working station for employees. 4 employees here, 4 employees here, a few more here. I can add one more table, a few more here. Still thinking of renovating the cabin so that we have more space for office essentials and all of that. We can accommodate around 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 to 15 people in the workspace. When we decided to get an office space for Cohorts in December 2024, there were employees, there were interns. We couldn't accommodate them. We were having it in Mateen's Nani's house. That was our temporary workspace when we got started. So we thought of it. This place was completely empty. It was a play space, but then renovated with glass. We got, glass for the front door. Everything was completely set up from scratch. All the furniture that we have in the office, everything. We made separate cabin, we made separate workstation, we got AC. I think we have made a pretty good use of the space. We can make it more cozy, but still, let's keep this rolling. As and when we scale, we're gonna maximize on the office space. So it's almost 7:30. Nobody's in the office. A lot of work gets done here. It gives a vibe for you to work. You can also work from home, but when you have a separate workspace for your work, where you come every day in the morning, do the work, get clients here, have the meetings. There's a different kind of, professional this thing. We got this set up. We have done pretty much good work in terms of setting it up.